Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sending Apple an information about your location on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down, go to privacy and security. Once you are here, you want to swipe down again and go to analytics and improvements. And here is something like improve AR location accuracy. So this is sending Apple data about the size and shape of buildings and other physical features around you when you refine your location in maps by scanning your surroundings. The data isn't attached to your Apple ID and can be used to identify you or anyone else. So here they say that they are not using it, but obviously they are. So if you don't want to send the Apple your current location all the time and to make sure that your privacy as the mouse, just turn off this feature and make sure it's gray. And again, how to get to it. So open settings from the main page, swipe down, go to privacy and security. Once you are here, swipe down again and go to the analytics and improvements, and then make sure that this one is off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.